the palace. Today we're visiting Dolmabahçe Palace. It's a gorgeous stay. We have a friend, a long-time friend coming visiting us from the United States. Kimberly is my good friend from graduate school. We have not seen each other for 32 years. We met yesterday and it felt like there has not been a moment past. When I first saw her by the pool at the campus, she looks exactly like that. This is the very famous door that opens the Bosphorus in the First World War. After the Germans had lost the war, the Ottomans had to let the coalition group come to Istanbul. This is where they have anchored their warships and entered into Dolmabahçe. You'll probably see this particular place in history books and old videos.
Good morning from Tera. Another day,
Another adventure.
another Istanbul adventure. We are in Dolmabahçe Palace in Istanbul.
Dolmabahçe Palace is the last resting place of Atatürk. 10th of October 1938 at 9:05 a.m. he passed away. We salute him with great respect.
Kimberly is an old friend of David from Thunderbird. I'm glad to meet her. Love you, Kimberly.
Today we're playing a tourist in our own hometown of Istanbul. It is such a beautiful day. Just day before, it was rainy, it was cloudy, and it was cold.
Magnificent day.
Well, today is an harbinger of spring to come. We're at the entrance of the harem, my favorite place to visit. I wonder if there will be any jariyas inside. Oh, my two beautiful jariyas are coming. Put it on, put it off, huh? Put it on, take it off.
Like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.
So thank you and David so much for bringing me here. This is such a special place and such a heartbeat tradition and charm. And I feel so lucky, the beautiful weather and to be in your company and surrounded by so much beauty. It's a memory of a lifetime. So thank you.
Thank you. We're having you here. So really, you are very lucky. This is unusual weather here.
It's spectacular.
You got me loose and set me free. You make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping.
You're on candid camera.
You're pushing me up to the top.